CI/CD pipelines, whatever your environment. So what are you waiting for? Add Nexploit to your project.
With this. And they, at the beginning, were based off
expertise levels that together you find the right solution at scale. And that's where the real joy of the complexity comes from.
Commerce is evolving, and we're going to evolve.
Introducing StackHawk. StackHawk makes it easy to find and fix security vulnerabilities before deploying to production. With lightning-fast security scans, returning results for review and triage in minutes. Get started for free today at stackhawk.com.
Welcome to Steps and GraphQL Studio. In GraphQL Studio, you can easily create a GraphQL API and build APIs. Why code everything yourself, like deployment, authentication, protocols, or mapping, when you can easily configure them in StepSend? Go check it out at graphql.stepsend.com.
So the reason I'm doing this with you today, to be honest, is not just only because I like you guys, which I do, but I believe that you're on the frontier of something that is very important. And the fact that you're cloud native and have all these other capabilities